Hi, today in front of me REALME Pad Mini, and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So let's first open the settings and then scroll all the way down to about tablet section. Here you'll see the version, not the version but the model and hardware section, and you'll see the hardware version on our device is the 11. So that's also our Android version. Yeah, the Android version is 11, and when you keep tapping you could open the Easter egg of Android 11. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.